Welcome to another edition of CashRegistersMadeEasy.com, where we make the hard to understand easy to figure out. I am Larry Jenkins, your host and guru in the cash register world. And beside me, I have the Casio PCR T2400, and we're going to talk about all the default keys there are on the keyboard. You may not use them all, but you should know what they are.
This is the receipt feed key. Holding this key down will advance the paper from the receipt side, which is the left side, the customer receipt. This is the journal feed key. Holding this key down will advance the paper from the journal side, which is the right side, and that records all the register's events. This is the receipt on-off switch. This key changes the state of printing the receipt from printing receipts all the time to not printing a receipt unless asked, also known as receipt on demand. This is a toggle button, meaning that you press it twice to issue receipts all the time and press it twice again for not issuing receipts all the time. This is the open key. This key is used to temporarily release a limitation on the amount on a PLU or department, as there can be a high amount lockout limit placed on it. Post receipt key. Press this key to issue a receipt after the transaction has been finalized. Price. This key will allow you to enter in a price for a PLU or department when that key may or may not exist on the keyboard. Non-add key, no sale. This key has two features. The non-add key is for allowing numbers to be printed on both the receipt and journal as an identification number, and the no sale key allows a drawer without a sale. If you enter in numbers before pressing the key, it's a non-add function. If you press this key while not being in the middle of a sale, it's a no sale key. PLU SubDepartment. This key will allow access to the PLUs, also known as subdepartments, even though it's not on the keyboard. The refund key. This key is used to refund a sale or to correct an after-sale void. X for date time key. This key has multiple uses. In the middle of a sale, it can be used as a quantity multiplier to sell multiple items of the same thing, or you can sell a fraction of an item. Pressing this button between transactions will display the current time and date. The error correction cancel key. This key has two functions. The error correction erases the last item sold or can completely cancel a transaction if the subtotal button is pressed first. The clear key. This key clears entries that have not been registered and also clears error messages from the screen. The coupon key. This key will remove a dollar amount off from the sale. This is the discount key. This key will reduce the item or total sale by a percentage amount. The clerk key. This is used to sign in as a cashier. The tax shift 1 and tax shift 2 key. This key will remove or add tax 1 or 2 to the item being sold. If tax 1 or 2 is already applied to that item, then it will turn it off. If it's not applied, it will add it on. The department shift and the department number key. This key will give you access to all the departments both on the keyboard and off the keyboard. By default, there are 30 departments on the first level, and departments 31 to 60 are on the second level, and they can be accessed through the department shift key. Departments 61 to 200 do exist off keyboard, and this key will give you access to them as well. The 10 pad. Your number pad, or sometimes called the 10 pad, is used to input numbers. Seldom will you ever use the decimal key, as you will enter all numbers in without a decimal, both in sales and in programming. The sign off key. This key signs the cashier off of the register. The arrow up and arrow down keys. In sales mode, these keys are used to highlight and select what line item will be voided from the sale. In program mode, these keys are used to select the options in program mode. The RA key, which is short for received on account. This key is for receiving cash in a non-sale transaction. It is cash in drawer but not a sale, meaning that someone gave you money but didn't actually buy anything. PO, which is short for paid out. This key is for removal of cash from the drawer in a non-sale transaction. It is cash out of drawer, but not a sale. Tax PGM, short for tax programming. This key will help you in setting up the tax table. The help key. This key gives you basic instructions on how to do something. Pressing the key by itself gives you 6 options of help. If you choose one of those 6 numbers and press help, then more detailed information on how to do that function comes up. The department keys. The department keys are where all the sales are logged into. There are 30 departments on the first level, another 30 on the second level, and you can have access to them using the department shift key. There are 3 non-cash sale keys. CR is for credit, CHK is for check, and CH is for charge. All these keys work the same way. This key is used to register a payment as a non-cash sale, either in whole or in part. The enter key, used within the programming mode to accept a line change when editing the program. The subtotal key. Pressing this key displays the current total amount, including the tax, so both you and the customer knows the total payable amount asked for. This is the cash key, also known as the cash amount tender key. This is used for finalizing cash sales. There are 2 parts to this key. Pressing the cash key by itself after entering in a sale ends the sale with the cash amount being exactly equal to the total amount of the sale. The amount tender part is when you enter in the amount of cash that the customer is going to give you. Then the register will calculate out what the correct change is.
I hope you found this video helpful. And also remember to come over to cashregistersmadeeasy.com, where there you're going to find other videos, articles, and tutorials on how to run your Casio cash register. Also check out my other videos too, so you know how to do other things with your machines. Until then, goodbye for now.